grew up on Notorious B.I.G. Now I finally know the feeling. Yeah, I need one more chance, cause you one in a million. Yeah, you something like Aaliyah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Feyi, and for those of you that are just stopping by my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to me to get notified whenever I post a video. So yeah, today's video is going to be slightly different from the videos I'm used to doing, because I was like, it's summer already, and what hairstyle can I do that would literally take me about 30 minutes to do? So I was like, okay, I bought some drawstring ponytails, I waxed some gel on my hair, and I literally just stuck this on. And also this could serve as a protective style for your ends, you know, to keep them protected. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this done, please stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye guys. So what we're going to do now is part your hair down the middle into 2 equal parts. The line doesn't have to be 100% straight, because personally, for the life of me, I can't get mine to be completely straight. So the next thing to do now is oil the scalp along the line we just made, so as to avoid it from being ashy, because we really didn't want our hair to be ashy. So what I'm doing now is lightly spraying some water to the roots of my hair to make the application of the gel go on smoothly. After I've applied the gel, I'm going to be using my tangle teaser to work the gel in and get my hair to my desired position, and also securing it into a mini top knot. You also have to repeat the same steps to the other side of your hair. So right now I'm securing the knots so that nothing comes out of place. Once you're done, get yourself a scarf, preferably a satin scarf, to hold down the gel we've just applied. So this is the hair after about 30 minutes, and I think it looks good. So I've got with me a drawstring bun, and I got this from my local beauty supply store for about £7.99p. And as you can see, it's got a very secured pin and obviously an adjustable drawstring. So all you need to do now is attach the bun to the top knots we made earlier, and using the drawstring to tighten and secure the bun to avoid any accidents when you're out and about. All we need to do now is repeat the same thing we did to the other side of our hair, and we're done. It's that simple, guys. Very, very simple. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a comment down below as to what videos you'd like to see from me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye guys.